This video describes how students can download files from different locations in Fronter. First, we'll show you how to download files from the My Documents location. Go to My Documents in the top menu, or wherever your school has placed the link. Check the box or boxes for the files you want to download and choose Download. If you have folders with content, you'll have to open the folders and download from there. Your files will be zipped into a single file, and you'll be notified when the download is complete. The file will be downloaded to your computer, usually in a folder named Downloads. From here, you can unzip the file. Check your device manual for how to do this. Now we'll show you how to download files that you've handed in. Go to a room and choose the Handin folder you want to download from. Check the box for the document or documents you want to download. If you choose more than one file, they'll be zipped into a single file as usual. If you've uploaded files to folders other than Handin folders, you can download those in the same way. If your school uses the tool Assignment instead of Handin, there's a small difference when it comes to Office files. Go to the room and choose the assignment you want to download from. Click on your submitted file and the file will be downloaded to your device. If it's an Office file, a preview of the document will open in a new tab. To download the Office file, choose Open Original File. Good luck!